Good morning everyone, Sunday morning and ready for fishing. Yeah, everything is ready. You can see my boat. So yesterday it was a really good day. I had seven keepers, snapper and one kawai. So we'll see today. I'll be still using the same. I'll be using bruised banana slider plus orange. So we'll see how it's gonna be today. All right, yeah, let's go. All right, so I got a fish and I hope it's my first keeper. Yep. Beautiful fish. Woo! Yep, it is gonna be first keeper. Wow, nice. All right, I got a fish. It's gonna be snapper. Yep. Ooh, orange color. All right, I'm getting another fish. Oops. This time it's orange, but it's not keeper. You can see what actually happening in Army Bay. Wow, this whole kawai, snapper and kingfish, they around like crazy. Huh. Oh, whoa. It was something on. Nah. Alright, I got another fish. Oh. Angry fish. Yeah, I'm here. Whoop. Nice. I think it's gonna be keeper. Yep, it's keeper. Right, another sniper. Nah, this is not keeper. Yeah, just update.
This is Westpac Rescue 2 on channel 16.
Just update after 2 hours. I got 3 keepers, 3 snappers. Today is a little bit slower in the morning. I'll see next maybe 2 hours. Usually today I'm catching snappers around 25, 28, 29 under. So that's why only 3 keepers.
Barrier Rescue.
They
This is Westpac Rescue 2 on channel 16.
They probably around 30, I would say 33, 34. Still nice snapper, nice keeper.
Are you able to change to channel 8? Channel 8.
Jesus. Where I finish? Yeah, they 33, 34, roughly, 3 of them. So that's not bad for the first 1.5, 2 hours fishing. No kawaii. At the moment, there's a few groups. There's one group is that way, the group other way. So I just wait here. There is one more. So I just wait here when they go around, and hopefully I catch some snapper or kawaii. Yeah, so this is just update from now. Right, a fish, another fish. No, this is not keeper. Oh, come here. Yeah, so today is a little bit slower. Yeah, I'm catching what I already said, small snappers around 25, 28. Yeah, I'll show you what kind of snapper I got. They you can see it's around 34. They're still good, but not like yesterday. Yesterday I had 47, 43. So look, fish around, kawaii. Yeah, so it's a little bit slower, but still I have three keepers at the moment, so it's not bad, better than nothing. So hopefully start biting again, because last I would say 20 half an hour, no action, nothing, just maybe 2 or 3 fish. So yeah, we'll see. Not many boats today, I don't know, maybe because Sunday, I don't know, but interesting. Just few. Yeah, so we'll see. Oh, we'll see. Something big is there. Right, just getting another snapper. Whoa, another one on the line. Oh, but yeah, now I'm in this trouble. I got 2 snappers on 2 fishing rods.
Commencing low level helicopter visual operations. It's going to be brown dollar.
Last, I would say, 45 minutes. I caught only 3 or 4 small snappers. So it's yeah, very slow at the moment. Well, I'm still probably, I would say 1.5K offshore. The birds actually gone, kawaii gone. So I don't know. But at the moment I got four keepers. They all of them around 33, 34. That's what I said already. But yeah, yesterday different day. Today, wow, not much action and more waves, what I like. But yeah. Oh. Even the size of the snapper is like 25, 30. But what I'm catching, just a little bit under size, under limit, and yeah, no like big action, like big snapper. No big snapper. So I don't know where they are. I was thinking go a little bit closer, but I don't know. Another fish on the hook.
C-span Hanover, Victor Romeo, Sierra Mike 5, Walker Maritime Radio, Romeo sir, the Ferguson Wharfhead, Ports of Auckland. All received, rugby gauge 4x4, good strength, good readability, Maritime Radio listening, out.
Alright, I got a fish. Oh, that's gonna be good size. Not bad. Ooh, angry fish. All right, so fishing is over. I'm going home. 5.5 hour fishing, and I caught 7 snappers. Today it wasn't so good like yesterday, but still got my limit, 7 snappers. They're a little bit smaller, is not 1/40. They all of them around 33 to 35, 36. The average, but still they quite nice. So I'll show you. Yeah, so another 7, so it was quite good. I had 1 hour like gap, and it wasn't at all like 4 or 5 fish, small ones. But then I still stay a little bit longer. That's what I always do. And you can see if I don't have limit, look, the birds, they back. So yeah. Now well, let's go home. What we can do. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm very happy today. I got my 7 snappers. So yeah, we'll see next weekend how it's gonna be, if the weather is gonna be good or not. It's gonna be 4 days off because there's a public holiday, so hopefully I can go at least 2 days and get some more snapper, have some more fun. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so for now, thank you very much for watching. DDNZ. See you later.